Hi guys and welcome back to Maxim channel. Only the craziest and most epic encounters ever caught on bikers camera are right here in one place. Today's episode won't disappoint you when it comes to that, and I hope you'll enjoy your time in watching it. Let's not waste our time any further. Now sit back and enjoy the ride. While doing his usual thing and riding around and vlogging, this biker came across a crazy scene. Check out what he caught on his camera.
Cara, o que foi que houve? Caracas! Olha isso, galera. Olha isso, velho. Misericórdia. Rapaz, isso aqui é um prejuízo que... Meu Deus do céu, velho.
This biker noticed that the driver's brake lights are not functional at all. At the next traffic lights, he made sure to pull up and let him know.
The brake lights aren't working.
None of them?
None of them, no. Not very safe.
Is it there? Is it there? Red light, buddy. Red light. It's a red light. You're Let me move it. One man knows his own dog. Who knows? 'Cause here goes a cold hole. What was that guy's problem? He just like tapped that geezer. Does he know him? Because he doesn't act like he knows him.
Always practice keeping a safe distance between you and another vehicle. Not just for your own safety, but for the safety of others. Hello there, kind sir. Can I help you with something? This biker just went out for a nice ride during the night, and he most definitely didn't count on picking up girls. But oh well, here we are. Check it out.
Hold on.
Yeah, you're
I'll
good.
figure it out.
You're good.
Can I go too?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Another half a shot in there. Hold on. Good. Can I have the helmet?
Yeah.
Where do I put my feet?
On the pegs. Right here? No, here. These. You gotta slide back a little bit more. Yep, there you go. Perfect.
Don't kill me, okay?
I won't.
Okay.
Not the goal.
It's so fun.
These bikers were just out having fun and enjoying themselves on their bikes. But as fate wants it, there always has to be someone to disrupt someone else's enjoyment. Check out how this angry Darren tried to knock one of the bikers down. This rude driver threw a plastic bag straight in front of the biker. How rude can you get?
Seriously? Seriously? Really? Right in front of me?
You're a special douchebag. I got a douchebag like this. What? Do something about it. Asshole. Woo!
This Java entered the roundabout completely wrong. Check it out. This Java went over a full solid line, and to make the matter even worse, he grazed the biker. On top of that, he even fled the scene. The biker couldn't believe it. He followed him for a while through the dense traffic, and when he pulled up to him, they started to argue.
你蹭了我，你问一下啊！压实线蹭了我，你不问一下就走。对不起，这也不能停啊，哥们儿。不是你不能停，你这是逃逸，我要报警，你就是逃逸，你知道吗？
Van Java thought that it would be a good idea to simply pull out onto the road without checking both ways before making sure it's safe first. This crazy Karen forced herself into the biker's lane. She almost pushed him to the side of the road because she was impatient and was in a hurry somewhere. Check it out.
लगी तो नहीं? Shit.
Definitely not the best spot to be in right now.
ओ भाई क्या दीवार बन गई काला धुआं.
This biker is bad luck incarcerated. I just don't know how he manages to stay on his bike with these people. Check your mirrors while reversing. It's a golden rule.
ये तो फंस गया. अरे what the hell are you doing? अंकल ऐसी हरकतें ना करो यार. ये नहीं बंद होंगे कभी. टार्जन याद आता है ऐसे कलर को. ओ भाई क्या बंदा है. ओ भाई क्या बंदा है.
These kids will be reckless here. Such great differences. They feel very bad for everyone. And we always keep saying, keep a safe distance between you and another vehicle. Unfortunately, the Java in this situation didn't want to listen, and he rear-ended the biker. Luckily, the biker was not injured.
God damn it! Man, when you stopped in front of me, I didn't stop! I slowed down because of the rain!
Are you okay?
Fuck, I don't know, dude.
But are you okay? Just tell me you're okay. Just calm down.
Give me 2 minutes, man. I
understand.
I get my bearings
Scared
about
the
me.
freak out of me too.
Dude, I just bought this bike.
The most shocking part about this video is that the driver didn't even notice that he almost caused an accident with the biker here.
Your brake light's out on the driver's side, mate.
Oh, is it? Oh,
yeah,
thanks
sorry.
for that, mate.
Your brake light is out on the driver's side. I've literally just told him as well.
Biker noticed a driver that was left stranded in the middle of the road. He had his hazards on, but he couldn't move at all. Of course, this kind biker didn't hesitate to pull over to the side and check if he could help.
You're right. Oh, it's just stopped. You're in neutral.
Yeah,
You're in neutral. I'll try to give you a push. Just go around to the left and try and get some Morrison's.
just says press brake at the start.
Yeah, if you're in neutral, I'll try to give you a push, alright?
Yeah,
It's gonna go left, alright?
This kind biker offered him to push his car to the side of the road and not to impede the rest of the traffic. Much respect to this kind biker.
Alright, stop it there. Get your handbrake on. Get your handbrake on.
it's got one of these automatic start-stop.
Yeah.
Don't like it.
Um,
Me a few times. I don't
yeah, well, you're out of the way of the corner now.
Lovely, thank you.
Yeah, do you have like AA or anything?
No, I think what's going to happen is it just eases it. Once you press it so much,
Yeah.
get it done. The brake just comes right up and then you can't move it at all.
Oh, yeah.
This biker was just out riding and having fun during the snow, but apparently some angry hunters didn't like the fact that he was there, and they said it was their own private property. Check out how the argument went down.
Ich denke, tut mir leid, ich kann leider, wenn ich hier auf dem Asphalt fahre, ich habe nicht zu viel Schlupf. Ich gebe auch nicht Gas wie ein Beklopft.
Aber auf der Deponie gibt es da auch nichts zum Fahren. Das ist Privatbesitz.
Ja, aber da stört's doch eigentlich.
Doch, da stört's. Und zwar meine ganzen Viecher, was da oben sind, die suchen gerade Rückzug. Und da ist es...
Schaf oder was?
Nein, Reh.
Ach so, okay.
Sie müssen sich ja auch nach der Straßenverkehrsordnung halten.
Ja, klar.
Die öffentliche Wege verlassen. Und wenn Sie da rumfahren, auch da oben um die Obstbäume, da können Sie jetzt sagen, Sie sind
Ich sag, das Problem ist...
Sie haben das Motorrad testet, da brauchen wir nicht diskutieren.
Ja, klar, aber...
Sie haben das da testet, die haben sich gehört, wie Sie auch die Spur, wie Sie gefahren sind. Ich
Ja,
bin
natürlich.
Ja früher auch so weit gefahren. Und da
Wissen Sie, ich verstehe Sie da völlig. Das Schöne ist halt, jetzt ist mal endlich Schnee und dann will man halt natürlich auch sowas. Das Problem ist halt, wie gesagt, da rutscht es halt und wie gesagt, ich grabe auch hier nichts um und auf dem Erdlager, wie gesagt, da mache ich ja keine Natur kaputt. Das mit den Viechern, das tut mir leid. Oder so.
Dahinter, das ist das Rückzuggebiet. Und
Okay.
eine ganze Rehwild. Die hat sich jetzt dahinter verzogen und
Okay.
suchen da einen Schutz und haben wenig Bewegung, weil die essen jetzt nicht mehr viel. Und
Okay.
immer wenn ihr sie da auffuhrt, dann wird die irgendwann verhungern.
Ja, okay, nee, dann ist das kein Problem, dann tut mir das leid. Wir haben bloß da ist ein riesen Haufen und das juckt kein Sau. Weil, wie gesagt, ich bin nicht einer, wo hier irgendwie die Natur kaputt machen will oder sonstiges, sondern eher Spaß am Fahren und sonstiges und will eigentlich nichts kaputt machen oder so. Nee, dann ist das kein Problem, dann weiß ich das.
Bitte von den Wäldern und von den Obstwiesen da wegbleiben. Eine einzigste Möglichkeit, dass ihr was zum Fressen findet.
Okay, kein Problem. Kein Problem.
Ich hoffe es.
Nee, ist kein Ding, wenn ich das weiß, ich kenne mich ja mit den Rehen und sowas nicht aus. Dann ist das kein Problem.
And with this cool clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxim channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning something valuable as well. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because it really helps this channel grow. And while you're at it, subscribe. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.